That's right. This right here will be the future site of Werewolf Gorge. This is a former site of Big Bender and Whirlpool. Yep. So there you go. Here's an idea.
This bit right here.
Where we're at.
But like this bit over here is that specific.
So that point is right in this spot. Yep. Yep. See this right. This right here is where Big Bender and Whirlpool sat. It would come up. It came up here onto the top of the wall, and then right down in this area is going to be where the station is, and then a few of the elements are going to be out in front of it. But this will be like where the main station and entry plaza is, and then the ride's going to come all the way up to here, and it's going to go way back into there.